Alright, picked up the DcD1007 today at Home Depot. Last day of the spring sale. Couldn't resist it. Came with the 8-amp power pack battery. So you know how we do this. Terrible reviews. I also have the DcD999, which I'm gonna pull out to compare it with. Sorry, 1 second. Open this up. Oh, got a little bag. Handle. Here is the drill itself. You know, it's rather short. I feel like it is rather short, which is pretty neat. It's definitely shorter than the other one, and definitely a lot lighter than the impact wrench. There should be a power pack in here. This is the beans right here. This is what I really wanted from this set. 8-amp power pack. Does it have charge? Oh, it do. Oh, nice little blue LED. It doesn't really have any charge, but let's throw it on real quick. Let's feel the tool. Oh, with the battery on it. It's not horrible. That's what, speed 3? That is speed 3. Speed 2. Speed 1. Pretty neat. Alright. That light's fucking bright. It has different modes too, I think, for the light. Turn it off, you turn it on. 20-minute timer. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright, let me grab the 999 real quick. Power pack. It also came with a fast charger for $2.99, so it's on sale. Couldn't resist. Let me break out the DcD999. As you can see, it is definitely noticeably longer. Yeah, I mean, you see, this one is definitely thicker head, different colored collars, pretty neat. So, you know, another tool to the arsenal. I guess this one isn't flex volt advantage, and this one is. So I wonder if this one, I mean, I don't know, this one's definitely better, but put the battery on the other one real quick, on the old one. This one's in speed 2. let me get another battery really quick. Get both batteries now. There's a 6 amp hour. Some charge still to it. Pretty neat. This one's in speed 1, that one's in speed 3. I'll put them both in speed 3. Give them a little trigger pull. Pretty cool. Yeah, the 1007 is definitely a lot heavier. But you can see this one's a lot longer. That's the 999. So this one's definitely heavier, thicker head, wider at least. This one is slimmer in the middle, but it's a lot longer. One says flex volt advantage, the other one doesn't. This is the 8 amp power pack. This is a sweet battery. Really wanted that. This is a $200 battery. I got for this tool and the battery for $300. So I guess time will tell when I get to using these. Which one's better? Which one's gonna last longer? Monster. I do have the new impact wrench too. So I just got the whole lineup of tools picked up on Spring Black Friday. I got the vacuum too as well. Picked up a vacuum and a pressure washer in this box. This thing is heavy. Oh my god, I wonder what this thing feels like with the power pack on it.